Hello, welcome back to my channel. I am Sandra from Sandra Stitches and you're here for a Quiet Crochet Friday new video. It's a new Friday, it's a new project, it's a new video, and we are going to sit here and crochet, in a quiet environment, a quiet space that we can just relax, take a moment for ourselves and just crochet and let our mind fly somewhere. Maybe you need to take a break from whatever it is and you need to take a moment for yourself. So sitting in front of a video and just listen to me in the background or crocheting with me together. Sometimes I tell a little bit of stories, sometimes I just sit quiet and crochet with some background music. So welcome, this is our quiet crochet time. If you need more of this, there is a whole playlist. So today I just grabbed my project. You do too, grab your project, whatever it is you're working on, and something to drink, but I did not bring my water. So today no water. Today I have two things that I have to finish. I have this gorgeous scrap yarn granny blanket, granny square blanket. It's a work in progress all the time because every time I have a new scrap yarn, I just make a round. But look what I have. A lot of ends to weave in. So this is what I'm going to be doing now. I just want to get done with it. Weaving ends, it's such a boring task, but we have to do it so our projects do not unravel, right? So there's nothing we can do against it. Just sit down. And I think these videos are perfect for it because you can just sit down, weave in your ends and crochet with me. So you don't feel like you're weaving ends, right? I made this blanket a while ago and I love it so much because the colors, the texture, and the fact that I can keep adding to it every time I feel like I need to do something without thinking. I just sit down and add another round. So it can grow. Every time I have a little bit of yarn left, I put it in the box, I have a special bag for it. So I put it there, and when I just feel like it, I just grab a few little balls of yarn and I add to my blanket. So it's always growing and growing. How many times do you go up and down with your needle when you're weaving in ends? Tell me in the comments, because this is something that we all do, right? I wonder if you all go 3 times up and down, or less or more. I go 3 times, I weave in 1 time, I go back, weave in different stitches and then go back up. And yeah, I feel this is enough. I haven't had something unraveling, so I don't know, I feel it's enough. Definitely if I have to frog something after I weave in my end, it's a struggle to find how to unravel it. So how was your week? Tell me in the comments, how was your week? What are you working on? Here it's summer already, I can feel it. It's getting humid. We have a very, very short spring. It gets very hot quick And because I live near the sea, the Mediterranean Sea, so it gets very humid quickly. So I decided to go on a walk, my morning walk today, but I need to get up really early if I don't want to melt outside. So it's not something that I do every morning in the summer, but I want to incorporate a morning walk or a daily walk somehow. The thing is that the weather is horrible in the summer, and I certainly don't like to walk like on a machine, on a walker or something. So I will have to find a very creative way how to walk anyway. Because walking is the only exercise that I enjoy doing. I hate exercising. But I know that in our age, when you're, over 50, over 60, we really need to get up from our chairs and do something. I think even over 40. But I tried many things, and I keep coming to walking. Walking is something that I really enjoy doing. I put on my earphones, my ear, how do you call them? Not phones, earset, whatever, headphones. And I listen to some podcasts. This is something I really enjoy. I listen to podcasts so I don't feel like the time that's going by. I'm concentrated in the story, and so I can walk and walk and walk, because if it's a good story, I just love it. So I'm all into the story. I don't care what's going on outside. Now, I live in the city, not in a rural place. I used to live in a rural place, which was amazing. I had a wonderful place to go do my walks, but now I live in the city, so the view is not the best. It's not the best. I can always go to the beach and walk on the beach, but it gets so hot and so humid that it's not fun. I like to take walks in the evening on the beach, but it's not something that I will do daily. So I'm always looking for ideas how to and where to walk during the summer times. We'll see if I'll find something. So many ends to weave in. I don't like to weave in as I go. So annoying. Sometimes I just weave in the ends, watching a Netflix show or something. Then it's okay. And today I decided that I'm going to do it with you. Oops, my needle fell. Let's see if I have another one here. Yes, I will pick it up later. So if you're new here, welcome. Happy to have you. You will find in the description box below links to the playlist for this series of Quiet Crochet Fridays. And also you will find links to my blog with free patterns and a link to our V-Stitch membership that you are all very welcome to join. It's a monthly crochet membership. You can find all details in the link below. And also, we have here in the channel, I upload videos on Mondays. Mondays are usually serious videos like a crochet along or a series of some sort. So it's a series, not tutorial, it's just a series video. Wednesdays are my tutorials. So each Wednesday there is a new tutorial, a pattern. Usually all the tutorials have the free written pattern on my blog. And Fridays we are just sitting down and crocheting together in the Quiet Crochet Friday time. So plenty to watch. You just need to subscribe if you are liking my content. Subscribe and hit the notification bell, and then you'll get notified every time I upload a new video, and it really helps me. Excuse me. Really helps me grow this channel and this crochet business for me. Excuse me. Just took a shower, came back from the walk, took a shower, feeling all fresh. I'm going to, when we finish here, I'll go and make some lunch. My husband is at home, he's working from home today, so we are going to have lunch together. I'm going to make a pad thai. You love pad thais? I love making pad thais. It's so easy and we both love it. So lots of veggies, rice noodles, tofu, soy sauce, peanuts, you know, that kind of stuff. Lemon. Super easy, very yummy. So this is what we are having for lunch. Here in Israel it's different than most places, I think, because we consider lunch our main meal. So lunch will always be our big meal in the middle of the day, and dinner will be a very small meal like a salad and maybe a fried egg. You know, usually it's a salad, fried eggs, lots of cheese, cream cheese, toast, something like that. Very easy, light meal. And the main meal is lunch. Usually for dinner we have soup. I love soups. I don't care eating soups even in the middle of the summer. So we have soup almost every evening. I always make a big pot, how do you call it, pot of soup the beginning of the week. So we have soup for the whole week. And yeah, that's how I like it. That's how we like it. I think we are getting to the end of this for now. Tell me in the comments what you eat for lunch or dinner, if it's the same like here, like lunch being the main meal of the day. It's crazy because, you know, after you have a big meal, you feel heavy, and it's in the middle of the day, people are working, and so if I was working in an office, so I wouldn't eat a big meal. But usually most people do. They eat a big meal and continue their work day. Let's finish this. So satisfying when you're done, right? With all the ends weaved in. Okay, we have 3 more. I use here yarns that were waiting in my stash forever. I didn't know what to do with them, and then I decided to start making this blanket. It's so beautiful. Look at the colors. So beautiful. And it's getting bigger and bigger. Such a great project.
Say that they won't when they will. I could use some motivation.
Now this is a kind of blanket that I can do.
But I know
Even when I say that I'm not a blanket girl, so I'm not. But this is a kind of blanket that I can kind of tolerate doing. I don't get bored because it's, you know, every round is a different color, and I don't have to do it all the time. I don't have to work on it all the time. I can just, whenever I have a new piece of yarn, when it gets bigger and bigger, so every round is very long. But granny stitch is so easy to make, and so, I don't know, has this kind of rhythm, right? So I feel it's a good project for me.
say what I want when it's real. If I see you acting patient, you never know your last meal.
Okay, we have 1 more left. I think we are done for this. Oops, I have a little bit more here. I found a little bit more, but I think we're going to wrap up this video because I don't want to take too much of your time. Excuse me. This is your Friday, this is your quiet time, so I say it's 15 to 20 minutes, that's all we have, just to reset your day, to get some peace and quiet in your mind. And I will continue weaving in my ends here, and you can continue crocheting, but this is going to be all for this Friday video. Look how amazing. I'm loving it, really, really loving it. Okay, I will see you next week. Have a great, great, great week. Bye.